All right, team. Assess the damage on the eyelight housings first.
I'll check the tires. Look at the rust on the visor.
The cab's structural integrity looks compromised, specifically around the lower visor hinge.
The stress fracture is deep.
Roger that. Checking load-bearing points.
Needs reinforcement here. Noted. Focus on the structural integrity.
The visor looks solid, but those eyelight housings need immediate replacement.
Agreed.
Structurally, it's holding up remarkably.
The primary control panel is completely fried.
And the steering column is seized up solid.
Let's check the wiring under the seat first.
Check the main hydraulic line. It looks seized.
Got it.
What about the suspension?
It's cracked. We need a complete replacement. Time to clean this beast. Powerful water streams activate. Let's see what's under all this rust.
The primary cleaning arms are engaged. Adjust pressure to 1600 psi. Noted. Initiating pressure increase C.
All right, aim for the suspension there.
Move the brushes up slowly.
We need a closer look at that pitting on the wheel well. Keep working on the edges of the visor. Almost there.
All right, shifting now.
Good. Wipe that dust off.
Attach them to the primary mounts. Confirmed. Checked. Begin the lift. Gentle now.
Engage the hoist.
Lifting slow and steady.
Clear the chassis, guiding it over.
Almost there.
Yep.
Check the suspension bolts.
The electrical is damaged. Disconnect the main bundle.
Copy that. Moving to the hydraulic lines next.
All right, easy does it.
Yeah.
Just a few more inches, slow now. Perfect, lower it down.
The primary intake valve is completely seized.
Looks like carbon buildup mixed with years of exposure.
We'll need specialized solvents and heat. No shortcuts here. The connection point here is severely rusted.
I'll get the wire brush.
No, use the solvent first. Less abrasive.
Right.
All right, let's verify these chains. Confirming connection at all points. Slow and steady, lift just an inch.
Lifting now. Looking good.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance.
Clear on this side.
Lifting slowly. Guide it up.
Line it up. Slowly. Easy, easy. Just a bit more. It's secure. Start unbolting the housing. Hand me the pneumatic wrench.
The finish looks perfect on this batch. I've separated the damaged pipes and fittings. Excellent. Send the good ones through for reassembly. Lower it slowly. Watch the angle.
Easy, easy. Lowering now.
Perfect. Submerge completely. Good. Release it. The rinsing is done. Let's verify everything here.
Looks spotless.
Good. Now compare the tolerances on the new gaskets against the block. Ensure this connection is torqued to spec.
Right away.
And double check those fluid lines.
All right, hit it with the pry bar.
On it. This bolt is stubborn.
Watch the rust dust.
Almost got it.
Stop. A little to the left. Perfect. Secure it.
Secure it.
Clamps are set.
Hydraulics engaging.
Verified. Release the crane.
The alignment needs to be absolutely perfect. Make sure those are solid welds.
Got it, boss.
Looks good, ma'am. Secure and ready. Secure that mount firmly, Character B.
It's holding.
And double check the hydraulic pressure on that arm, Character C.
On it, boss.
The frame and suspension are solid.
Copy that, moving to hydraulics.
Verified. Everything checks out.
All right, slowly lower it onto the stand now.
Clear, it's coming down.
Watch the hub, get those clamps in place.
Affirmative. Securing it now.
All right, let's start with this visor plate. Got it. Looks pretty seized. Careful with the surrounding chrome.
Line it up there. A little lower.
Okay, rivet in the first one. Solid. Now for the forehead. Guide it down.
Keep it steady, watch the cables. Bring it over here, that's good. All right, let's get that mounting point secured. Looks good. Check the schematics for the wiring sequence.
The alignment is perfect.
Excellent work, team.
We're ready for the final seal.
Be careful with that wiring, it's brittle. Got it. This panel's heavy. Just the framework left now.
Excellent work on the floor. Apply the treatment evenly.
Understood.
That internal structure needs a final polish to seal it.
Right away, ma'am.
Perfect. The corrosion is gone. Okay, the damaged components are out.
We're clearing the wiring now.
Good. Let's inspect this main junction point. We'll need to rewire the primary controls.
Roger that.
The primary connections are secure.
We ensured all modules are aligned.
Check the module alignment against the schema on the tablet. Yes, that's correct.
Almost there. Looks solid, character B. Just need to secure the fabric. Perfect.
Secure the red wire to the main relay.
Copy.
And double check the exterior lights are properly grounded.
Looking good, boss. Line it up here. Hold steady, I'm almost done. Perfect. Pass me that trim. Testing the circuit. Engage the visor controls.
Looks perfect. Testing the mechanism. Smooth as silk. Excellent work.
Set it there. Looks good. Just need to tighten this one. Perfect. Visor engaging. Checks clear.
All systems nominal.
Perfect. Lower the visor. Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Almost there. Looks good. Bring over the new section. We've got severe pitting here.
Focus on stabilizing this area first.
Got it. Resume grinding.
Secure the bracket tightly.
I'm on it.
Check the alignment of the reinforced frame, ensure it's level.
Verified.
Engage the locking mechanism.
Good work. Everything looks solid.
Thanks. It's ready.
Ensure the alignment is perfect on this section.
We're setting the final rivets now.
Looks good, proceed.
The alignment looks perfect. Excellent work.
The front plate needs more attention. Just checking the alignment. Good, ready to polish. Start with the rear wheels, B.
Got it. Looks good, boss.
Watch the chrome, A. It's ready for prep.
The masking looks secure.
We've got the windows covered. Check the grill vents, boss.
Nice work, team. Ready for paint.
All right, over here, just a few final touch-ups on the cab. Looks good, boss. Ready for paint?
Keep the coats even on the lower panels. Roger that. Moving to the rear supports. Looking good, almost done with the main section.
The second layer is looking flawless. Maintaining pressure, cover the seams.
Let's ensure the crest is perfect.
The visor needs a finer polish here.
Understood. Using a micro finisher.
Check the wheel hubs next.
Keep it even, Character B.
Holding the shield steady.
Perfect. That finishing surround looks solid.
The finish is perfect on the blue, but check the gold edging here.
Right away.
Looking good back here.
All right, slowly, steady now. Just a little lower, hold. Perfect, release the cables.
The engine mounts are secured. Hydraulic lines clear. Cooling components connected. Check electrical. Looks good. Engaging lift. Slow and steady. Clear the area. Check alignment. Lowering now. Watch the connectors. All right, slowly now. Check the alignment on the left. Just a little more down. Hold there. Looks good. Lock it in.
Make sure those mounts are torqued to spec.
Copy that, torquing now.
Check the hydraulic pressure one last time.
All green, leader.
And electrical's operational. Beautiful work, team.
All right, lowering the rear assembly now.
Clear. Clear. Lining it up.
Looking good. Secure the suspension.
Secure that panel.
Panel.
Hand me the pneumatic tool.
Looks good. Check the alignment.
Finishing up the side guards.
Engaging systems 1 through 3. Status is green across the board. Initiate main power. Systems check complete.
Check the pressure on the rear manifold.
It looks good, holding steady.
And the steering linkage.
Adjusting now, it's tightening up.
Excellent. Looking sharp. All right, here we go. Got it. The restoration is complete. Initiating systems power up. The mechanical eyes are online.
Excellent. The heart of the machine beats once more.
Initiating startup sequence. All systems engaged. Remarkable. Everything online.
The engine runs smooth.
A true masterpiece.
We did it. We did it indeed. The engine runs smooth.
A true masterpiece.
We did it. We did it indeed.